Welcome to a new video with Mr. Math. Today's topic is linear functions. We want to write the equation of the line from the table in slope-intercept form. Let's take a look at the problem today that we have. It says to write the linear equation that gives the rule for this table. Write your answer as an equation with y first, followed by an equal sign. Okay, so what it's saying is we want to write our equation in slope-intercept form, which is y equals form. Y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope or rate of change, and b is the y-intercept or starting point. So in order to do that, we need to write three things down. M equals, b equals, y equals mx plus b. Labeling my graph, my vertical axis is labeled y, my horizontal axis is labeled x. Okay, so let's look at the table and see what we have. Remember that the rate of change, or m, the slope, is defined as the change in y over the change in x. So what is our y's changing by? Well, from 13 to 15, it's changing by plus 2. From 15 to 17, it's changing by plus 2. And 17 to 19, it's changing by plus 2. From 2 to 3, it's changing by plus 1. 3 to 4, it's increasing by 1. And 4 to 5, the x's are increasing by 1. So it looks like my y's are changing by an increase of 2. And my x's are changing by an increase of 1. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. So my m is 2. But I still need to know what my b value is, which is my starting point, when x is 0. That's what I need to figure out. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite my chart over here, starting with 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, well, when x is 0, let's see if we can figure this out. Okay, we know that when x is 5, y is 19. When it's 4, y is 17. When x is 3, y is 15, and the pattern continues. So, if we're increasing by 2 each time, I just need to go backwards. So 13 minus 2 would be 11. 11 minus 2 would be 9. So there's my starting point. My y-intercept is 9. So my b value is 9. So now I can write my equation. 2 for m, 9 for b. Y equals 2x plus 9. Let's graph that and see what happens. 0, 9. Well, that would be my y-axis, my y-intercept. So let's put these in, let's go ahead and graph these by 2's here. So we'll say to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And for the x-axis, we'll just go ahead and graph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's go ahead and plot our points. So our first point is 0, 9. So that's going to be right there. 0, 9. And then we have 1, 11. 2, 13. 3, 15. 4, 17. And 5, 19. Let's go ahead and graph a line through these points. Go ahead and straighten it out just a little bit there. Okay. All right. So what's happening here? Okay. Looks like we're starting out when x is 0, y is 9 here at the y-axis. So this is our starting point. So when x is 0, y is 9. As we move 1 to the right, we go up 2. So here, start at this point right here. So we go up 1, 2. Move to the right 1, go up 2, 1, 2. And the pattern continues. So our function is y equals 2x plus 9. I like to look at it in terms of money. Let's say that x is days and y is money, okay? And you're saving money because it looks like your line is going up, you're increasing. So let's say on day 0, you start out with $9. But as you move to the right, as the days go by, you're saving $2 each time in your savings. And so that's your rate of savings or your rate of change. So you start with $9 and you increase or you save $2 a day. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you. And as always, we will see you next time.